might be coming to the land state, Dan.
He's landing real smooth.
Yeah,
Not bouncy.
Well, when he comes over and he's only 10 feet above that wind. Like that shit. Pile that up out here, where would we go?
Well, Gary will have it on video.
Well, yeah. So use it for evidence. I'm a chicken. You want to pull the gas out of it, Dan?
If you're done, I guess so.
Well, I don't want that. Don't bother you? No. It bothers me. It's like some bitch when he's looping all over here. You see how close he was to that windsock? And we're right square in line with him. He comes in and lands. I'll take it by again, but
I hope he hits my truck so I can get a new one.
if he hits that truck, we're all dead. That plane's gonna scatter all over 100 yards.
No, if he hits my truck, remember my truck's a 2015.
Yeah, 10 miles on it.
Yeah.
I wouldn't give a shit if I had a Ferrari parked out there. It's still gonna be good.
Not me, I'll be running.
You're gonna run fast enough.
If he was that close, I could be out of here pretty quick.
I think he's gonna land this time.
Now you gotta do a touch and go. It almost look, it
Well, if
kind
he
of
comes
looks
over
like
to talk to us, I'm going to have a hard time biting my lip from telling him he's stupid.
looks like he's landing in the grass, but he's not.
I know, it always looks that way to me.
He's gonna wear the tires out.